So we get this question. Occasionally. What is this extra yellow piece? This is a Praher valve. So I thought what I would do is just take it apart and show you instead of try to explain what that extra piece is. So this is what we call a ball valve. Really simple idea. There's a ball here that has a hole through it. When your valve is closed, water can't get through because there's a seal here and there's a piece that goes on here that seals. So when you open your valve, you actually turn it so that the water can pass through. But in the Praher valve, the fitting that pinches this down and holds that ball and seals that valve in, that piece has two little pins that slide in there to hold it in place. And if you ever take it apart, those pieces are quickly and easily lost, so they give you an extra piece on top. Once you put that in, now you've got your O-ring, your other half your valve, and the nut that tightens it down. So the tighter this is, the harder the valve is to turn, and it's pressing that gray piece tighter and tighter inside there. So normally you want it nice and snug because you do have a union in there, but now you can see there's the gray piece that had those two pins. It's open and it's closed. So normally you're going to want it to be about that snug. A lot of times people crank them way down so that they can't almost seem to open them or close them hardly. But you want it tight enough so that the valve doesn't leak, but not too tight that you're breaking this handle to try to get it in there. So in this particular valve, that's just an extra stem that they send along with it. So if that falls out, it just kind of clips in there. If that falls out, it doesn't hurt the valve. It's just an extra piece to help you with the valve in the long term.